I wrote this before separation, so don't mind that part. Right. From the book of the meant to be glorious land, I speak of a place we call the Pride of Sudan. The myth of the land of a million miles in the heart of Africa materialized, where the blue and white river lovers combine, forming a love story matching the skies. Call it a never to dry vein, call it the river of life, call it life itself, but we call it the Nile. The land of the four regional kings who mated with earth and gave us home as offspring. The king of west and his bride of sands shed Arabic gun for the death of his blue kingdom. Resurrected from the deserts, the whole continent shivered and bowed down to the men of Kurdistan. And Mahdi al-Tashi and Najumi Abdurrahman did therefore fear no man. Eastern king of the mountain turtle he sings, in his throne with Sudani and a fur pig, his queen, a descendant of the finest roots, a mixture of Bani Amir's beauty and Qassad's finest fruits. His army, Ghost of Sawakin, Wind of Al-Takab, what do you know about Kandaka? They speak of separation, imagine a collision of Hambata and Thalata. Northern king, as tall as his spear, 40 years war is over. Shed no tears, breathe these mango trees, weigh alligator's skin. Charm the Dankin, wear Shuluk Madada's gladiator rhymes. Block the sun from the equator line. The king of west and his desert lines, Marrow is fruit, Matamma's pride. If you ever get lost in the history of Halfa, go down Karima and use palm trees as guide. If you ever wonder what happened to the Turkish army, ask Ismail Pasha which tribe. See, my land may have formed out of line or Ross rhythm, but every time they want to break it apart from Halfa to Numidi, you hit Kings get 'em. See, as long as I breathe Sudan, be Sudan, and I'll be proud of myself. And if I feel less,